In this video, I'm going to teach you about the default tax code in MIRO transaction. If you came to our channel for the first time, click on subscribe button and share this video with your SAP circle. See, when I go to MIRO transaction, okay, first time system may ask you the company code. System asks you the company code, you can give the company code. So once you give your company code, you can see that there is a tax code is coming by default. From where it is coming? So let me show you that configuration. Go to SPRO, reference IMG, material management, logistics invoice verification, incoming invoice. Here there is a configuration called maintain default values for tax codes. Go to your company code, select and go to details. Here you can keep it. What is the default tax code for normal amount and all, and if you have any unplanned delivery cost, what is the default tax codes, you can keep it here. This is the way how you can default, and whatever you maintain there, that is visible in MIRO transaction. I hope you understood one point about the MIRO transaction about default tax codes. Thanks for watching.